Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm in the air, I'm everywhere, I'm in your heart, yeah. I'm in your head, I feel really, really lost. Told you love me dearly, love me dearly. How I think about you, damn near every damn moment in my mind, really got me really blinded by your love, baby. Why would you really leave me hella stranded away where I had to really find myself. Many times I was lost. I don't even know what the hell was the cost. Well, maybe it really was just to better my life. Or better up my love intuition. Really got it going better on a better mission. Feel like, yeah, they don't really listen. They just really pay attention to the what? To the exterior with my damn soul. Don't you really know how to look into the interior at all? I really have it standing tall. I got the angels really looking over me. Oh, the demons, how they really try to steer me away from the heavenly place in the sky up in my mind. Actually, it's in my mind, yeah, the universe. Yeah, the mind is the center of the universe. Everything else is just really, optional at the end of the day. This is how they live this. Better up your game, better up your spirit. I really have it on the damn line. Have it really in my sight. Oh yeah, say goodnight. Don't they know how I put up a fight against that dark side of my energy? Really try to balance out everything I could really amount to the light, what I can really be. Do you really believe in me? I hope you really never leave me, 'cause I don't think I'll ever really be fucked up like that to another human being, unless they deserve it. 'Cause you know what, I'm really trying to really curve everything away from you, trying to curve that negative energy too, trying to really show you what the hell I can do, trying to show you the heights I had to climb to. And many times I was rock bottom, I didn't even know how to problem solve it.